Would y'all believe me if I said this could be turned into this? Yeah. Get into the edges. Get into the length. 30 inches, baby. Let's get right into it. Hey y'all, it's me Amani, and today I'm back with my favorite hair company, IziWigs. Y'all know I got so many good wigs from IziWigs. Let me just show y'all some clips, some pictures of me looking good in IziWigs hair. I'm sorry, it's a mirror right there. And the girl in the mirror looking real fine in her IziWigs hair. So listen, I just installed it into a side part. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. And I also installed it into a middle part before, and I'm gonna put that at the end because it's a TikTok. And so it's like a whole little speed install. And then after that, follow me on TikTok, boo. But yeah, if you wanna see all about this hair, how I installed it, and then a review, let's get right into it. Now I already cut off the lace and I already installed it once. I'm not sure if it's 13 by 6 or 13 by 4, but the parting space is no problem. The lace is transparent. And look at that, I dyed it to my signature auburn color. And if you want to know how I get it this color, I will have the information for that up there or up there. But I'm going to straighten it. All right, so you're going to start by just, so this is a straight wig, but when you wash it, it does get a little wavy. And just look at these inches, baby. It is so thick. Y'all, I forgot to put my cap on. I like to do it while I'm straightening the hair because it takes a second to dry. I'm gonna take the ORS wig grip gel. So it's officially straightened. So I'm gonna go in with the hot comb. And y'all already know what I'm gonna do with these edges in the front. So if you got the itty bitties, the itty bitty flat iron, I stopped doing these edges on the side because they were so hard to swoop. So once I finally did it like this, y'all, it's so easy to do it. Get it right. If it's not giving George Jefferson in them, if it's not giving Founding Fathers, then you're not doing it right. Okay. Let's get into cutting off this wig cap. I don't even know why I just tried to fake that. I could have just explained that I already did it, but I already did it. So what I like to do is outline the lace with a nude color because it helps to know where to put the glue. It's just on Founding Father, but it's gonna help with the swoopage. I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to swoop your edges when you curl them like this, right? In a toothbrush, or you can use a comb. Do you see how easy that was? Now I'm gonna show y'all how I get my part. You see it's a little bit because I put some of this same product on the inside of the cap, but it's gonna look a lot better when you get it on the outside as well. I take this, I wanna make sure it's lighter than you. So I just do it like this. Take the lighter one, squeeze it out, and put it on the bottom of this one. You don't wanna put too much because you don't want it to smudge and stuff. Oh yeah, and I put my wax stick on it. I've been using this wax stick by Eben, and the scent of it is like acai berry, and it smells really good. So this is the final product, y'all. Just look at how big this smile is because this hair is so cute. I love this hair. I did it into a cute little side part. You see the part is parting. The edges is edging. Literally all about this hair. First of all, 30 inches, babe. I dyed it my signature ginger color. Y'all know how I do. Let's do a shed test real fast. Let's see. I don't really see this hair particularly shedding too much. Just like regular here and there. So this hair doesn't shed like that. It's true to length, y'all. 30 inches. So yeah, it go past my back down to my buttocks. And the hair is long, y'all. The hair is full. As you can see, I showed y'all how it looked when I just like washed it and then blow dried it. The lace, let's look at the lace. I didn't put any lace tint on it. installed it. I didn't put any lace tint on it. The thing I will say about the lace though is that it is kind of small. As you can see, it's back a little bit because I had to kind of like do it like that, but it's not too small. So if you have a smaller head, this is great for you, but if you have a bigger head, then just know that these might be your results. But it look good, okay? It looks really good. It's really cute. I love this hair. Super soft. I always love IziWigs, y'all. So you can use code Amani20 to get y'all some of this hair, right? And I'm gonna insert some pictures of me looking cute in this exact wig. I already showed y'all some of me looking good in other IziWigs, but this exact wig, let me show y'all some pictures and some videos, baby. Roll the clips. Period. Like, literally, who's doing it like Izi, okay? So make sure y'all head on over to their Instagram, to their TikTok, to their YouTube, to their website, IziWigs.com. And if you do shop and you get one of these wigs, make sure you use code Amani20 because why wouldn't you, baby? Come on. Use code Amani20 for real. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. Let me know what y'all want to see from me because I know I be slacking with YouTube, but I just love doing my hair. I love getting to work with brands who I really love. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching.